I have a huge problem in order to fix the 7 series, but I'm pretty sure that we are going to find a solution for this. Like I've said in the intro, we have a huge problem for the 7 series in order to fix it, and the problem is that I cannot find any cats available to buy. I've just found two of them, one in Germany and one in Netherlands, I think, and both of them, right and left, are like 1,000 euros. And I already ordered an engine, and the engine was 1,700 euros, yeah, something like that, 1,700 euros. And I'm quite scared to pay 1,000 euros for just two cats, and I'm pretty sure that we are going to need a lot of other gaskets and other parts. But anyway, we are going to find a solution in this episode for the 7 series. We are going to finish the Opel, and we will find a solution for sure. We have to move the car because we have to park the Opel. We have to finish the Opel, and after that I'm going to show you a big surprise. Now that we have the Opel in the garage, I'm going to work everything off camera. I'm not going to film anything because it's just a valve cover in here. We are going to replace the belt and the tensioner and the gasket for the crankshaft, and pretty much that's about it. Oh, and the ABS sensor on the right side, on this side, and pretty much that's about it. I'm going to give you just an update. I'm done with all the work on the Opel. As you can see, I've cleaned everything. Everything is clean and dry. I've tried to clean a little bit in here as well. We have everything new. The seal is installed, the tensioner with the pulley, the belt is completely new, and I've already started the car. It's completely dry. I've even fixed the ABS sensor, and the cover is new as well. So this one is fixed and is, I think, almost gone. No leaks, no any kind of warning lights, nothing. We are going to park the Opel now. We are going to park back in the garage the 4 series, and I'm gonna show you what I've just bought. Now let's park the 4 series into the garage, and after that comes the big surprise. With the 4 series in the garage, I'm gonna show you for real the big surprise and what we've got. And I've bought this. Oh, wrong key. That one. So I bought another 7 series. This one is in perfect shape, mint condition, I might say. Everything is original. We see some difference in the tail lights. Mine are with white and this one are with yellow. Interior in perfect condition. In here is not that perfect, but it's normal because this is the driver side. And we get to check the car together because I received the car just last night at 11 or 12 o'clock in the night. This one doesn't have soft close. See that? This one doesn't have a hydraulic trunk. There's no button in here, so you have to close manually, and it has in here soft close. Yep, nothing is wrong with the car except this one. You have to open in here because, as I can see in here, just this plastic is broken, but we can replace this for sure. We have a complete engine, everything. Headlights are in perfect shape, better than mine. The car is complete. Let's start the car. I cannot leave the car to run too much, and I'm gonna show you why. The car starts. No errors on the dash, nothing. We don't have any kind of gas. Oh, it's going down. Check this out. Perfect. Zero range, nothing. We have everything working, no error like I said. We have just one broken button for the park handbrake. We have the trunk button in here as well. We don't have cooled seats, just heated seats and massage, but I don't have massage in my car. Okay, so I'm going to shut down the car and I'm going to show you why. Now let's see why. Hup. Water looks perfect. Okay, no problems in here. Whoa, what do we have in here? Okay. What do we have in here? Okay, so that's the problem with this one. It might have a blown head gasket, which I doubt that, because the car is dropping from here, goes to the oil pan and mixed with the oil, but the car doesn't throw water onto the exhaust or onto the spark plugs. And I'm gonna show you a document that was done recently to this car for 4,000 kilometers. This car had some repairs, but here comes the big problem. The nasty part is that I cannot read that invoice because it's written in other language. This car has now 170,000 kilometers. Let's see once again. Okay, 175,000 kilometers, and at 171 kilometers, so for 4,000 kilometers, this car had this repair, and after that the oil started to mix with water. But just the oil, it doesn't overheat, it doesn't make any pressure. Seems like a cliche, exactly like mine. So in here we have clear water or antifreeze, but the water drops from here into the oil pan and it doesn't burn. That it's just that I don't know what exactly was repaired on this one. And as I can see in here, I've noticed something on the water pump, that we have some washers in there, too many, see that? Okay, so somebody was in there, and I think somebody repaired on this one the cross pipe in the valley between the V, and I think that is the main reason, because the O-ring from this side where the water pump is, if it's not correctly seated, the water will drop through the chain, through the timing cover stuff, directly into the oil pan. But I bought the car not because of the engine, because I have an engine on order for this one with 60,000 kilometers. So we don't need this engine and we don't need this car. We need from this car just the cats, the side mirrors, both, because mine are both broken, and we are going to fix this one completely first with the new engine, the cats from this one, with the mirrors from this one as well. And we are going to take headlights from the other one to install it on this one. And after that we might save this one as well, because we have parts for both cars. And if that's true with the other one, that is just the O-ring, we might save this one as well. But another problem, this car came from Bulgarian, I think. Not really sure, Bulgarian. See that? This car comes from Bulgarian, and I'm not really sure if it's worth saving and fixing the car because of the document stuff, because I have to take the car everywhere on a trailer because it's not registered, of course, and you have to drive it to inspection. They will give you some papers. With that papers you have to register the car, or maybe the car must go through some other test because it comes from another country. Not really sure. And that's why we might not fix this one. But the main reason is that I bought this car because of the cats, and because we have to finish this one. This one is the German car, German papers. I just have to install the new engine with the cats from there, headlights, side mirrors, and we can hit directly for inspection. This one comes with original 18-inch alloy wheels, all season. I might just swap to this one after it's fixed, of course, for the inspection, because it's winter time and I need to have winter wheels and I don't have just summer on this one. And we might take some other stuff from this one. I know this one almost looks better than the other one, but the other one has more options and it's a German car, German papers, and this one is Bulgarian car, and not really sure if it's worth all the process, and I have to pay to trailer the car everywhere, and that for me doesn't worth it. And I've checked everything works on this one except for the steering wheel, exactly like mine. I'm gonna show you now what's wrong. Maybe you can see the steering column lifts go down, but side to side doesn't work, exactly like mine. And I thought I can swap this one as well, so apparently this is a common problem. Not really sure. Yep, works, but side to side, and you can hear something in there. Okay. See that? Perfect. Both of the mirrors are working, and I think we have a lot of good parts from this car. A lot of good parts for this car. It's kind of crazy that I had to buy another one to fix this one, because the cats are extremely rare and extremely expensive. So in order to buy the two cats for this one, I have to pay 1,000 euros, and I found just one in Germany and one in Netherlands. And I said, what the heck, man, I won't pay 1,000 euros just for cats, and I have to pay 150 euros for one mirror, and mine are both busted, so I have to pay another 300 euros for the mirrors, and 1,000 for the cats is like 1,300 euros. And I've paid 1,700 for the engine, so it's like 4,000, 3,000 the price for the car. So this one was not worth it fixing, but I'm already deep into this. I have the engine already on order, and I had to do something about the cats and the mirrors, and that's why I bought this one. And I bought this one with 1,200 euros, and I have all the parts, so it was cheaper to buy the whole car to fix this one, and I'm going to swap all the parts that I need, and I'm going to remain with a complete car. Maybe I can fix the engine, and if I can fix the engine, I might sell it complete without the cats. Now with the solution in the back, we have everything in order to fix this one, and after that we might try to save the other one, but not really sure for now. Anyway, if you like this episode and if you want to see more progress on these ones, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.